What's good, YouTube? We're back. We got this time another hat review. This time a collaboration between October's very own Drake's brand OVO and New Era. So picked this up at the OVO store. So shout out to Eman when I was at work on Friday. Picked it up at Yorkdale. They did a collaboration with them, and these three colorways. They got the black, red, and this blue. And I'll show you what I got, and we'll get right into it now. So here we go. We got the October's very own collaboration having New Era. This one goes crazy. It's got like the logo that they used to have on the old varsity jackets with roots all the time. So this one is crazy nice. Looks super cool. This blue is very good with the button I really like. But I'll give you a little breakdown of the hat. The hat pretty much this logo with October's very own. It's got white and blue is just the O, but the rest is all in white. The button is white as well. Pretty much the whole hat is blue as well, with the New Era logo as well. Instead of obviously like a Batterman on an MLB hat, you got the OVO OG owl on the back in white. It's got October's very own tag here. And it's got like a style code there as well. New Era, 100% polyester and made in China, so very similar to the Hat Club hats. My size is 7 3/4 by the way, and the gray UV and white guts. But I find the really interesting part about this is like the bottom of the hat is in like kind of in white where it says 5950, which is really cool. I really like this touch. I think it really pops and shit, and I don't really see that on many hats, so I really like that. I'll show you how it fits. Yeah, no, it fits really nice. I put it through the steamer already. Really good fit on this one. I really like it. OVO, they are priced at I believe $68, so a little bit more than Hat Club, but works out just as well. And I definitely recommend it if they're still in stock in some sizes. Definitely recommend picking it up if you like OVO and you like fitteds. Definitely goes out pretty well. And I'll show you also the tag it came with. Comes with the pretty much the regular OVO tag. It's got the OG owl on the front, and then on the back it's got October's very own, and also in Japanese. And then the tag is M0421HW1596 navy fitted, and then 7 3/4 size tag. Anyways, guys, that wraps it up for the review today. Just something kind of short and simple. You can style this in so many ways with this dark blue and stuff. It's almost like I don't know, they say it's a navy, it doesn't look that much like a navy, but it can be used in so many ways. And rate my pickups. Which one would you have gotten? Do you think this is a dud, cop, drop, whatever? Doesn't matter to me. Just let us know. And if you consider leaving a like, commenting, subscribing, you can turn that post notification bell right down here. Helps us a lot. If you want to see more videos like this, we got tons of stuff coming out. October is great for OVO. I got some other ones on the way too. Just waiting for them to get in, and we'll be right there with you. So take it easy, guys. That was us reviewing the OVO New Era collaboration fitted. Take it easy.